that card?
Yes.
It'll take you to my YouTube channel and you'll see yourself on this next video.
Really? I love it.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Spring break 2022. What up? God love America. America. Come on, man. I was jamming out, dog.
She goes, how are you able to carry that?
As long as you're going fishing, hunting, or camping. Fishing. I'm going fishing.
And you have it, right?
Yeah, the with me, but I don't care. It's legal. As long as it's legal. Where y'all from? As long as you're fishing, hunting, or camping.
As long as you're able to carry.
Yeah, as long as you can possess a firearm. Absolutely. It's my right just like it's your right. Later now. How y'all doing? Look at this weather. Oh my God.
Hey, I watch your YouTube videos all the time.
Hey buddy. You gotta be careful, bro. I don't know you. I'm just fucking with you, bro.
Good to see you.
Good seeing you, man. I appreciate it, man.
Everything you do.
I appreciate what you say. I appreciate all the support, dude.
Watch it all the time. It's crazy to see.
I love. Take a picture. Hey, ladies, can you take a picture for this guy real quick?
So, how often have you been stopped here?
I got stopped last night, and we're with me now. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. I'm gonna see if they want to mess with me now.
Keep doing what you're doing. Seriously.
Hey, it doesn't stop here. Hey, just to let everybody here know, long as you're fishing, hunting, or camping, long as you're lawfully allowed to possess a firearm, which I think most of you ladies here are, long as you're engaged in those activities, you can openly carry a firearm.
Without a permit?
Without a permit.
Without a
As long as you
permit.
have a fishing license.
Really? God bless America.
As long as you have a fish.
Fisherman, it's like
Oh, hey. I'm going to give you my card so you can get across the street real quick. Here.
Are you harassing these guys?
All right, the orange fish.
No. I'm only being harassed. Yeah, check out my YouTube channel. That card, it'll take you to my YouTube channel and you'll see yourself on this next video.
Really? I love it.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Spring break 2022. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I bought a gun for my son with my fishing license.
Yeah, as long as he has a fishing license.
Well,
and
I got one for him with my fishing license.
Yeah, I bought my daughter a lifetime license for the rest of her life. And hey, there's good people with guns.
I agree. My son has tons of them.
That's what I'm talking about. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Later. Yeah, buddy. Let everybody know. Let everybody know. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, let's get a selfie with the cop in the background. We have to.
Can you get a picture, man?
Yeah, yeah.
Take a picture. Did you tell me to fuck myself yesterday?
I did.
Yeah, so.
And yourself too, bro. Get out of here.
You can actually get on the street, though. You're blocking.
I'm not blocking the street.
The armed fishermen. Do not tread on me. I know my Second Amendment right.
Oh, yeah.
Open carry to and from.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
hey,
sir.
share that everywhere, brother. Everywhere. I love it. Yeah, yeah. Hey, they're $500 a picture, though. I'm just messing. I'm just messing with you, bro.
That's my birthday, so it should be free.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes, sir. Second Amendment all day. 2A all day. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Always going fishing, my man.
Yeah, as long as you're getting engaged in those activities. Yeah. $500.
Yeah, no problem. Put it on my table, bro.
Hey, make sure you put it out. You'll get a lot of traction because of me. Let's do it. Come on, come on. Come on, boys. Yeah. I'm all for it. What you got? Give it. You give me. Can I get something for free?
You want some sunglasses?
I got sunglasses. Let me get that koozie. Yes, please. Thank you so much. What's your name?
I'm Marie.
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. Pound it.
Yeah, there we go.
You want to go fishing?
I'm good.
Yes, sir.
I've seen your videos a bunch of times.
I appreciate it, man. I thank you for watching.
The last one I seen, I think you were over in Sanford or something like that, and they were giving you all kind of help.
Oh yeah, they gave me a lot of shit. 12 of them.
Yeah.
I don't care. They can keep coming. And all these cops out here, they ain't gonna do nothing to me right now.
I'm actually in the process of becoming a state national, so I'm
Everywhere. Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah, brother. Good luck.
Hell yeah.
I love what you're doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Catch him or shoot him?
Hopefully I just catch them. America. America. Hey, I love this chef.
Thank you very much.
I'm a chef too, bro.
Appreciate you.
Hey, we're all in the same boat, bro.
Very much.
Yes, sir. Great, guys.
How do you get that? Ain't real, is it?
Oh, it's 100% real, man.
How the hell do you get away with carrying it over here?
As long as I'm going fishing, hunting, or camping. I'm going fishing right now. I'll see you later.
All right, man. Take care.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Let's go fishing, brother. Hey, pictures are $500 each.
That ain't perfect.
Only cash.
I love it.
I love it too, brother.
Home right now.
I love America. I'm just recording.
Okay.
I don't stream right now. I try not to stream. I post it later.
Okay.
But yeah, man.
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
I was like, bro, I'm like, damn. When I
Hey.
seen I already do all
And they ain't gonna do a god thing.
can't do nothing.
They can't do shit.
I like that.
Love the hat, man. Love the hat.
I saw you eyes.
I love your shirt. I'm proud to be American too, man. Yes, sir. How you doing? Hey. That's what it is right there.
Well, we got about 40 of them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, say hi, YouTube.
How you doing? How you doing?
Hello.
Congratulations.
Hello, YouTube. Hey, look at this. So he goes, I don't know, I'll do it tomorrow. I said, no. The only transportation I have for work
It's a bike.
he steals it.
Oh, my
He
God.
puts it in his trunk and takes it.
You like that? Oh, yeah. It's beautiful, ain't it? Yes, sir.
Somebody press a button. So I guess they don't bother you when you're fishing an open carry, right?
Yeah, yeah. Well, they try. She's got her hand on her gun right now. Let's see what she does. Hi. How are you? They ain't gonna do nothing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have a good day, sir.
You too, buddy. Oh, sorry.
Let me get one. Thank you, brother.
Yes, bud. Oh, the Treasure Coast? Port St. Lucie local.
Really? No.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
We live in Stewart.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, PSL all day, every day.
Keeping us safe.
Yeah, I'm keeping everybody safe right now.
We can go whichever way.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yes, sir. Don't chat on me either, bro. Yes, sir. I love the shirt, man. I'll trade you. Trade you. Yeah. Sorry. Yes, sir. America, baby. America. 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 Oh, shit. Hey, with me. Hi. California has awesome gun laws. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, I know you. Hey, buddy, I've seen your videos, dude. Well, I got a YouTube channel too. It's called The Armed Fisherman. You're the naked cowboy. Come on, give it to me.
Naked cowboy here with the Armed Fisherman.
Yes, sir.
Here on Main Street, we're gonna give you motherfuckers.
What up? What up?
Is that motherfucker real or not?
Real as
5.56, okay, alright.
I don't play with BB guns.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, no, there ain't nothing wrong with it. But yeah, y'all.
Good.
Yeah, I'm a good guy, not hurting here. I'm here to protect people.
Good, now support that. I appreciate that, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take it easy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about, right?
That's America. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How y'all doing? Yeah, come on, come on. Yee! I want to play. I want to play. Oh yeah. Come on. Let me get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How y'all doing? America. America. Yeah, 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 yeah. Give it to me. Yee! I give a fuck. I don't play around with that bullshit. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. I love it.
Hey, what'd you catch?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, it happens. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.